FIR, as we know, the first information report. It is the initial step in a criminal case recorded by the police. It consists of the most basic information regarding the crime committed, and it covered under section 154 of CRPC. However, the police officer can register FIR only for cognizable offence, the offence where the police has the power to arrest without a warrant. Cognizable offence includes theft, rape, murder, etc. Non-cognizable offences are those for which police needs a warrant for arrest, such as defamation. For such matter, the complaint is sent to the judicial magistrate for further action. Now we discuss who can file an FIR. One can file an FIR if he or she is a victim of that particular crime, a friend or a relative, or even an acquaintance of the victim of that crime. It is have a knowledge of crime has taken place or it about to take place. It also be registered an FIR. Now we shall discuss where should one get an FIR registered. In an ideal situation, the FIR should be registered at the police station of appropriate jurisdiction. The station is whose limit the crime is alleged to have taken place. However, if that is not possible and in matters of emergency, an individual can even approach any other police station which would note down the details, register the FIR, and then transfer the investigation to the correct police station. Even if the crime has not been committed with the jurisdiction of the particular jurisdiction, it is no ground for refusing to file the FIR. Such an FIR is also referred to as zero FIR. Now we shall discuss what is the procedure to get an FIR registered. Once you approach the police station, you will be directed to the duty officer, or officer in charge of the police station for your FIR to be registered. You will be required to provide information regarding the alleged offence. You can either verbally tell the officers about what happened or write down the information details yourself. If you are telling verbally, the police ought to write it down. Now the police officer will make an entry in the daily diary or journal diary. If you have a complaint in writing with you, you should take 2 copies of it and give them to the officer. He or she will stamp both and return to you. The stamp would bear a daily diary number or DD number. This number is proof that your complaint has been received. You have a right to acquire a copy of the FIR without any charge. It is advisable to note down the FIR number, the date of FIR, and the name of the police station. If you lost a copy, you can use detail to access the FIR online. The police would read out the details of the FIR to you, and once you confirm that the details are correct, you can sign the FIR. You must ensure that the FIR mentions the date and time of the incident along with the identity of the accused, if possible. It is not important that you have all the information about the crime so as to register an FIR. The police will investigate the case after the FIR is registered. This would include recording of statements by witness and thereafter make a final report if there is enough evidence and the police finds ground in the complaint. They would prepare a charge sheet for submission before the court. The trial procedure begins. However, if the police is of the opinion that the complaint does not have any basis or that it lacks of evidence, and further action will be dropped. After the FIR is registered, the contents therein cannot be changed. However, any additional information that you may get pertaining to the case should be given to the police later on at any point. In some states and cities in India, some kinds of FIR and complaint can also be filled online. For example, in Delhi, an online complaint can be filled for stolen or missing articles, phones, vehicle, etc., missing person, unidentified children, persons, or dead bodies, etc. What to do if the police refused to register the FIR? As already mentioned, it is absolutely mandatory for the police to record the information provided when you approach the police station to get your FIR registered, and are refused, you can send written complaint to the SP. A complaint can also be made to the judicial magistrate with the help of a criminal lawyer under section 156 subsection 3 CRPC. This is my short video on FIR. I will come back. Till then,